This is going to look at various levels of organisation in organisms, in living things. We know that all living things are made of cells. Cells make up tissues, tissue make up organs, and organs make up organ systems, which in turn makes up the organism. If you look inside the cells, we know that there are little things inside the cytoplasm. Those little things are collectively called organelles. And we know about chloroplasts and we know about mitochondria. And they're both types of organelles found in cells. Then inside a living thing, groups of similar looking cells are together working to do a similar job. For example, in the diagram, you can see some muscle cells which form muscle tissue. And at the bottom right, there are lots of different plant tissues. Organs in the body are made up of layers of tissues, and there's a number of different organs in both plant and animal bodies. Can you name some organs of the human body? They're there on the slide for you if you can't. And then the organs are developed into organ systems. So they're all joined up in different ways to do different jobs. The first one there is the skeletal system. That's the skeleton, that's the bones, and it's there for support. We've got the respiratory system, that's the lungs and the trachea, and that's used for breathing, getting oxygen into the blood. The urinary system filters the blood, makes urine, which comes out, stored in the bladder, comes out of a tube called the urethra. Then you've got the nervous system made up of the nerves, the muscular system made up of the muscles. The cardiovascular system helps the blood pump around the body. And the reproductive system, two different types, one in females and one in males, their job is to make babies. And the organ systems in plants are very simple. You've got the shoots, which are above the ground, and the roots, which are below the ground, and then the flowers, which are the reproductive system of the plant. And then this slide is a summary, really, of cells to tissues to organs to organ systems in animals. And lastly, the same sort of thing, cells to tissues to organ systems to organisms in plants. And we're back now to the summary slide, which I think encapsulates everything we've just talked about.